Lose weight, HIIT workouts for beginners. It isn't always necessary to spend hours at the gym when you want to lose weight. HIIT workouts for beginners are enough to get the results you need without the time investment. This was proven by a study published by the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness in 2017. In the study, researchers observed that short bursts of high-intensity workouts are incredibly effective, not just in losing weight, but in reducing waist sizes as well. Here are some HIIT workouts specifically designed for beginners to work towards their weight loss goals for only a few minutes each day. Beginner HIIT workout number 1. For this workout, all you'll need is a sturdy chair and an exercise mat. Do each exercise for 20 seconds and give yourself a 10-second rest in between. When you're done with the set, repeat it until you've cycled through it 4 times. In total, this should span 10 minutes. Jumping jacks. Start at a standing position with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump up and part your legs so you hit the floor in a wide stance. At the same time, lift your hands over your head. Keep alternating between the narrow and wide stance until you run out of time. Step up onto chair, right leg. Step your right leg onto a sturdy chair to bring yourself up. Let your left leg follow and touch the chair slightly. Bring your left leg back down, followed by your right leg so you're back in the starting position. Repeat until your timer runs out. Before we continue, we would like to encourage you to subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. Step up onto chair, left leg. Do the same as the previous exercise, but with the opposite leg in the lead. Triceps dips on chair. Sit on a chair and slide your butt down to the front edge. Hold on to the edges. Slide your butt out and support yourself with your arms and legs, which should be firmly planted on the floor in front of you. Slowly lower yourself, feeling the tension in your triceps. Bring yourself back up. Keep lowering yourself and bringing yourself back up until your timer runs out. Abdominal crunches. Lie on a mat with your knees bent, feet on the ground, and hands clasped behind your head. Slowly lift your upper body, using strength from your abdomen. Lower yourself back down to the starting position. Keep lifting yourself and holding at peak position for at least 1 second, and then bring yourself back down until your timer runs out. Beginner HIIT workout number 2. For this workout, all you'll need is some space and an exercise mat. Do each exercise for 1 minute and give yourself a maximum of 15 seconds rest in between. When you're done with the set, repeat it until you've cycled through it thrice. In total, this should span 15 minutes. High knees. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and feet firmly planted on the ground. Extend both arms out in front of you and keep your palms facing down. Lift your right knee enough to hit your right palm. Do the same for the other side. Pick up speed until it looks like you're running in place. Keep alternating between both sides until your timer runs out. Lunges. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hand resting on your hips. Take a large step forward with your right leg and lower yourself so your right knee is bent. Step back to your original position before doing the same movement for the left side. Keep alternating between the two sides until your timer runs out. Leg raises. On a mat, lie on your back with your arms at your sides and palms pressing on the mat. Slowly lift both legs until they're perpendicular to the ground. Slowly lower them back down to the mat. Keep lifting your legs and taking them back down until your timer runs out. Bird dogs. On a mat, get on all fours. Make sure you're supporting yourself with your hands below your shoulders and your knees below your hips. Lift your right arm forward. At the same time, kick your left leg behind you. Go back to your original position before doing the same movement with your left arm and right leg. Keep alternating between the two sides until you've run out of time. While short, these exercises will help you lose weight. HIIT workouts for beginners can be tough, but it's worth it because it only takes a few minutes a day to maximize the amount of fat and calories you burn. If you persevere and continue to challenge yourself with high-intensity interval training, you will soon enjoy not only lower numbers on the scale, but also in the size of your jeans. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please